Welcome to Hong Kong, the headquarters for SBS Worldwide, a key freight station and operational hub, plus the offices for Virtualized Logistics, a leader in supply chain consulting, technology and business aligned solutions. In this film, we're going to demonstrate how Virtualized Logistics solutions can be applied to add efficiencies and save money in the publisher's supply chain. And with the operational support of SBS Worldwide, we can deliver world-class solutions. Hi, my name's Tony Leach, Solutions Director for Virtualized Logistics. I'm here at the ATL Logistics Centre in Hong Kong to consult with our publishing clients, to meet their printers and to look at a solution where we can apply our technology, our processes and our operation to ensure that they get their books to market as cost effectively and efficiently as possible. Our 28 facilities in China act as key hubs to intelligently manage freight for global distribution to the world's publishers. The ATL Centre in Hong Kong is our key freight station for us to facilitate the flow of books to market. This video is broken down into two sections. Section 1 details traditional container loading patterns. Section 2 details slipsheet loading process. SBS, for over 2 years now, have been implementing slipsheets in the publisher's supply chain to significantly save the cost of shipping their books.
My name is Candice Lau, General Manager Customer Liaisons for SBS Southeast Asia. Welcome to the ATL Centre Hong Kong, the world's first and the largest multi-story drive-in cargo logistics centre. SBS China has its Asia headquarters within the centre here, serving the SBS worldwide customer base. Strategically located at Kwai Chung Container Port with close proximity to waiting vessels. Transport link to Hong Kong International Airport, Central Business District, and the China mainland border.
Okay, this is the outbound area of the container freight station here in Hong Kong. This is where we actually build the containers, load them with our customers' books, and the challenge is to actually get as much utilisation out of this container, get as many cartons in there as we possibly can.
Getting books from print to market is a challenge in itself. Finding the right way to carry those goods is another issue. Traditionally, publishers have two options: loose loading and unloading goods item by item, a time-consuming and labour-intensive process. The second option is palletised loads. During the Second World War, the mother of many inventions brought us the wooden pallet used today. This enabled goods to be moved quickly and with less labour. The wooden pallet was a great creation. So good was the conception that it's still going strong today. However, things have changed. It's easy to forget the extra cost that the pallet adds to the supply chain. Perhaps now the time has come when, in some eyes, the pallet for movement of goods has outstayed its welcome. So we established that loading the container with pallets is faster and a time-consuming, resource-intensive loose loading. However, as you can see here, we are not getting maximum container utilisation. There is plenty of wooden air that is being shipped. And this space is a cost within the supply chain that is often hidden. In this film, Virtualized Logistics shows you how we can make use of this space with slipsheets, saving you this unnecessary cost. SBS has a ready solution that is tried and tested, that is the slipsheet. Slipsheets enable you to ship more of your product per container because they weigh less than pallets and take up a lot less space, allowing for more cartons per load. A slipsheet weighs 20 times less than wooden pallets, saving shipping weight and allows us to achieve maximum load capacity. This reduces the number of containers per annum needed to transport goods, significantly decreasing freight spend and dramatically reducing your carbon footprint. With slipsheets, you will have 100% recyclable and hygienic method of shipping goods with a highly efficient loading and unloading process, achieving time and motion comparable to palletised loads. SBS Worldwide have been introducing slipsheets into the publisher supply chain since 2009, and this now enables Virtualized Logistics to include this model in their supply chain proposals, saving publishers up to 20% annually on their freight bill.
Okay, we began loading the container with slip sheets, and as you can clearly see, we are getting much more product into the container. Many more books compared with pallets. And this is done using a software program where we can 3D model and actually build prior to actually physically putting the product in. So we can get maximum weight and maximum cube. We also build the slip sheets at ISBN level. So we can do that compared to, say, a purchase order. So once it's received at the destination warehouse, it makes for a very fast put away of goods into inventory or transfer straight to end customer.
Here is the warehouse. We have the ability to scan the pallet, capturing the product information.
Within that scan, we're capturing data such as the ISBN number, the purchase order number, the author, the title, the impression number, the number of books, the number of cartons, and we can drive that data all the way through the supply chain, right the way through to end delivery. And through data integration with our customers' warehouse management systems, we can make it much more efficient and faster for them to receive the goods into their warehouse, into inventory, without the need for key-in or additional admin overhead.
The slip sheet device is easily attached to a standard forklift, meaning there is no need to purchase a new forklift, only affordable push-pull attachment resulting in rapid return on investment.
As you can see, we have finished loading the container using the slip sheet process. We've used exactly the same amount of cartons as the palletized container, but there is still room for an additional 4 pallets worth of goods. So if you were shipping 400 containers a year, that's an additional 1,600 pallets that you could ship at no additional cost. The pallet is a bit like the air that we breathe. It's all around us, but we don't necessarily see it. It's easy to forget how much additional cost it adds to the publisher's supply chain. Had we built the container and loaded it with slip sheets instead of pallets, we'd have been able to get this much more books within the container. 3,600 to be precise.
In this clip, you can visually see the difference in terms of weight and volume, comparing 10 slip sheets to 10 pallets. As you can see, the pallets are considerably larger in weight and mass.
Virtualized logistics has the solutions to save publishers a significant amount of money on sourcing their print from China. By introducing slip sheets into the supply chain instead of pallets, you can make significant return on your investment. We have the software tools to calculate the exact savings.
With slip sheets, you will have 100% recyclable and hygienic method of shipping goods, with a highly efficient loading and unloading process, achieving time and motion comparable to palletized loads. The space and weight saving can result in a significant financial boost. Not only is this option good for your company's bottom line, environmentally will also be a major contributor to the company's green policy. Such is the potential for implementing slip sheets. The concept recently won an international award for innovation and cost saving with one of our global publishing clients. Such is the savings that they are actively rolling out slip sheets across their freight lanes and distribution centres. Virtualized Logistics are a team of experts in supply chain best practice. We are dedicated to assisting clients build effective supply chains to achieve high performance from strategy development right through to implementation. We get under the skin of your business and re-engineer your supply chain around your needs, making you and your staff more productive, increasing efficiencies across your business and enabling you to seize opportunities as they arise. If you'd like to learn more about implementing slip sheets into your supply chain to reduce the cost of shipping and deliver efficiencies, please contact us at www.virtualizedlogistics.com or email solutions@virtualizedlogistics.com.